Yo. You know. Yo. Casting lines with the fam, no stress. Hooking memories, not just fish, we blessed. From dawn to dusk, it's a vibe, no cap. Stories real in, now it's time to unwrap. Book two's brewing, got that bait on lock. Lessons, laughs in that lakeside talk. Wait for the drop, it's coming in hot. Second book's fire, give it all you got. Double the thrill, double the glow. Fishing with heart, let the good times flow. Lines in the water, tails on deck. New books loaded, what the heck? Catching feels, not just trout. Turn the page, let the story shout.